Hi everyone, I am so excited to be sharing this month's journal kit with you. So this one is titled Cabin in the Woods, and it's inspired by my love of nature and hiking and just a dream of living in a cute little cabin in the middle of the woods. So I'm going to start out by showing you everything that you're going to receive in this kit. And in this video I did a spread in my bullet journal using this kit, but you can use these supplies in a regular journal. You could use them in any planner you have or in any craft projects. Don't feel like you have to use the supplies exactly how I use them. Just have fun with it and be creative and do whatever you like. So first you get this set of stickers. Two of them have some of the doodles that I made and one is a little sheet of washi strips. And then you get a set of die cuts that have the same images, and these are made from a nice heavyweight cardstock, so you could use them as little tags or just glue them on your page or however you want to use your die cuts. Then you get a set of journal cards, and two of them have prompts for writing on them, which you can read more about in the digital workbook, and then one is a little playlist card. You also get the washi tape that I use in this tutorial, as well as some gold and silver sequin stars that you see me use all the time. You also get a set of little quote cards with some quotes that are inspired by this nature theme. I also pressed some flowers for you guys, so each of you get a pressed flower in your kit, and you can use that however you'd like. Then you get a couple pieces of craft paper, as well as this cute little postcard that I designed and printed on some nice cardstock. And finally, you get a cute little pinback button. So that is everything that comes with this kit. I can't wait for you guys to get them in the mail and have all these things to use in your projects. But let's go ahead and get started with this bullet journal tutorial. So I started out by using the craft paper to create a header for the top of my page, and I decided to just make a weekly spread and do it on a single page in my bullet journal. I used the days of the week stickers that come with this kit to make a little section for each day of the week where I'll write a little to-do list. And I know these are kind of small spaces. I tend to keep my to-do list pretty short in my bullet journal, and then I have a larger master to-do list on a separate piece of paper that has everything I need to do, but I like to just keep it nice and concise in my bullet journal so it doesn't get too messy. I continued to decorate my page. I added one of the little quote cards and taped in the pressed flower and just added some more of the decorations that come with the kit. I also used the little playlist card to write down my favorite songs at the moment, and then I went ahead and made a little to-do list for each day of the week. I also like to have a calendar just so I can look at it whenever I need to know what day is what, or just for planning purposes. It's nice to have that when I need to look at that. And then I continued to just fill in the blank spaces with more of the decorations that come with this kit. I really like how this turned out. I tend to go for more minimalist spreads usually in my bullet journal, but this one I just decided to collage the entire page, and I really like it. I don't feel like it's too cluttered. I think that it turned out really nice, even though I filled up all of the spaces. I finished off this spread, of course, by adding some of these little stars, and I just glued them on the page. I love adding these. It gives it a little bit of texture, you know, because they're sparkly and shiny and different than the paper, but it also just makes it a little bit magical and whimsical, and I just love adding the stars to everything. Anyways, I hope that you guys have fun using this kit and making your own journal spread or whatever you decide to use these supplies for. I hope that you're having an amazing week, and I'll see you again really soon. Bye, everyone.
Days until I'm on my own. You'll be on your way home and won't come back until the cold wind